In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag blog posts on Wix. If you want to keep your blog organized and make it easier for visitors to discover related content, adding tags is a simple but very useful step. Tags help group posts by topic, which can improve navigation and make your content more manageable over time. In this walkthrough, I will show you exactly how to add tags to a blog post in Wix. To get started, log into your Wix account and go to your site's dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your website, including your blog content, design settings, and other tools. Once you are on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. From there, click on Blog and then select Posts. This will open the section where all of your blog articles are listed. Here, you can browse through your existing posts and choose the one you want to update. Take a moment to find the correct post, especially if you have several articles published already. When you've found the post you want to tag, hover over it and click Edit. This will open the post editor, where you can make changes to the content and settings for that article. Inside the editor, go to the left-hand side of the screen and click Settings. This area contains additional options that control how the post is organized and displayed. Next, select the Tags tab. This is where you can add new tags or reuse tags you've already created before. To add a tag, simply type the word or phrase you want to use and press Enter. If Wix shows previously created tags that match your topic, you can also select one of those instead. This is helpful for keeping your tagging consistent across multiple posts. As you add tags, try to use clear and relevant terms that describe the post subject. That way, your blog stays better organized and readers can more easily find similar articles. It's also a good idea to keep your tags focused rather than creating too many that overlap. Once you are finished adding your tags, click Publish to update the post. This saves your changes and makes sure the new tags are applied to that blog article. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.